Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to save a password on Yandex browser. Guys, you can easily save a password by following these steps. First, open Yandex browser. Then you can see there are many options. Click on 3 vertical lines at down right corner. Then click on Passwords option. You can see their plus option at down right corner. Click on it. Then identify your Then add there your password. Then click on Click option at top right corner. Finally guys, in this way you can easily add there your password on Yandex browser.